Racing just is started. We have Security Dream Break weekly start. Moving up on the outside, Devoted Minstrel Maker's Mark in the middle portion. Down on the inside is Some Like It Hot. Mr. Eagle comes next. Flawless Windy Wind. Then on the outside, Pasenciosa. While Class Act is the early trailer by about 9 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Maker's Mark by about 2 lengths. Mr. Eagle in second, Some Like It Hot in third, Devoted Minstrel alongside fourth, Windy Wind. Then comes Pasenciosa, Flawless, Class Act, while Security Dream now racing in last half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Maker's Mark by about 2 lengths. Mr. Eagle in second, Some Like It Hot is down on the inside third, Devoted Minstrel, Windy Wind. Then comes Pasenciosa, Flawless comes next, Class Act, while Security Dream still racing in lengths. Another fourth turn, we have Maker's Mark maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Mr. Eagle still in second. Down in third is Some Like It Hot, Windy Wind, Class Act moving up now on the outside to take fifth. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Maker's Mark this time by about 6 lengths. Moving up on the outside is Mr. Eagle with about 100 meters of the race. We have Maker's Mark by about 4 lengths over Mr. Eagle. And finally, Maker's Mark, Mr. Eagle, Some Like It Hot, Flawless. Then comes Class Act.